What's poppin', everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Dani, also known as Street by Dani, and yes guys, I am back on YouTube. And for today's video, we will be going to Good Old Days 3. It is one of the biggest community flea markets here in the Philippines. So I am so excited to thrift mga apparels and maybe shoes. So tara guys, let's go!
Everybody just bounce, bounce, check it out. Everybody just bounce, bounce. Shake it off. 'Cause the love it ain't the same, and you keep on playing games like you know I'm here to stay. Shake it off. Just like the cat on commercial lights. Really gotta get up out of here and go somewhere. Gotta be that cool, for somebody who appreciates all the love I give.
Hey guys, before I continue with the vlog, I just want to share with you an app that I use, especially when I buy sneakers from resellers, flea markets, and online. It is the CheckCheck app. If you don't know it yet, it is the leading sneaker authentication platform that has over 2 million users and is trusted by majority of the community. Speaking of trust, they were also featured on Complex, Hypebeast, GQ, Yahoo, and Sneaker Freaker. I personally use this app and it actually saved me from buying a fake pair online. That's why I think this app is so useful and important for buyers and businesses. And instead of hiring an in-house authenticator for your business, you can use the CheckCheck app instead. Save time and money. So if you're planning to buy sneakers on events like this, you can download the CheckCheck app and legit check your sneakers on the spot and get results in 15 minutes. Alright, that's it. If you want to learn more about the app, I will be doing a step-by-step legit check tutorial at the end of this video. Thanks guys, and let's get back to the video. Okay guys, so we just heard nandito si Paul Fuentebella, and ayun, puntahan namin siya, hinahanap lang namin siya.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
I'm Lawrence.
Lawrence, nice to meet you. It's a pleasure.
We're a fan of yours.
Yes, hi, I'm
Thank you
Dani.
so much.
Nice to
Thank
meet
you so much. Yeah, this has been awesome. Have you guys been inside yet?
Didn't get to go to the back
Okay,
yet,
for sure.
yeah.
You guys are in for a treat. It's so cool.
How many did you buy already?
Just a couple.
What's the best piece that you got?
I purchased today? That's a great question. I'm gonna say the M&MT. Yeah, I picked up the M&MT 2000s. Yeah, something light. It's like $50.
Oh,
That's what it's right
nice.
there. And they wrapped it up so nicely.
Yeah, that's
Filipino
nice.
touch. The attention to detail.
I've been watching you since the Green Hood vlog.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I actually did. I uploaded one today.
Really?
Yeah, they love it in America. It's so
Really?
funny. Because we have nothing like that over there. Even like Richie and Johnny were like looking forward when they sort of canceled on like the Manila Sneaker Expo thing. Right. They went to like Vietnam or something because like they were doing like the whole flea market thing. Yeah. Richie's been my mentor. I don't know if like, that's a known thing. I think I've never said that on camera, but yeah, Richie's been a mentor of mine for a long time. I think I was at like 10,000 subscribers. He hit me up. He's like, "Hey man, you have so much potential," and he's given me like business tips and YouTube tips since then. He's one of those humble people you ever meet. So he's gonna come out. Are you recording?
Yeah, I
Richie,
am.
get out here, man. It's a vibe. You gotta pull up, bro.
Yeah, we're waiting for you, Richie.
We're waiting
That's my
on
guy.
you.
I love coming home. Like I don't know, just like having people know who I am here. It's insanely humbling. So
Insane, dude. Is it cool if like we can take like a quick question interview, like just like one question?
100%.
What's good, everybody? Carlo here from Beyond the Hype, and we are here right now in Good Old Days Free with the one, the only Locust Wild and Honey, Paul Fuentebella. I actually have a gift for you. It's a small knick-knack from the Philippines. For those who don't know, this is actually called a lato-lato here in the Philippines, or a clacker in the States, okay? So I want to do a little challenge. I want you to do like a consistent lato-lato right now. Wait, one, two.
Fudge, dude.
Yeah.
Okay.
Easy,
Alright.
okay.
Guys, this is my first time doing this. I'm actually Filipino. Please don't take away my Filipino card. So, all right, let's just go straight up.
Go straight up.
Everybody's watching me.
Okay, it's okay. Just chill, just do it.
Alright.
Okay.
Bro, I could.
Give it a little feel first.
Like a flick.
Okay, no worries, no worries. Cause it's
keep it?
yeah, you can keep it.
practice?
You can practice all you want, my guy. Okay,
I got
so
14 hours on a plane. This thing is not gonna leave my hands.
okay, they might take that away if you're playing it on the plane. Do you think there's like a fashion trend that might come in and go out?
This is gonna be a hot take. Don't cancel me for this, but I do feel like
Guys, feel free to check him out, Locust Wild and Honey, with all the recent fashion trends, sneakers, or vintage related, and he's gonna be practicing that on his way back. Let's go.
that's easier, pro, man.
I saw you. I really, really want to catch your eye. There's something special about you. And I must really like you. There's not a lot of guys that worth my time. Oh, baby, baby, baby. It's getting kind of crazy. You are taking over my mind. And it feels like, ooh, but you don't know my name. I swear, it feels like, ooh, you don't know my name.
So we got some Nike Shocks here. So for any of you like old heads out there, you know how classic this shoe is. And ang ganda kasi sobrang kakaiba niya from today's market or today's sneakers. Ganda.
When we had our first kiss, it happened on a Thursday. Oh, it shook my soul.
Oh, sinira mo ba? Yan.
Imagination's running wild. Feels like, ooh, but you don't know my name. And I swear it, baby, feels like, ooh, you don't know my name. Will you ever know? I'm saying.
Okay guys, so tumitingin ako ng mga sneakers. May mga magaganda pero hindi ko siya size. So titingin pa tayo ulit, baka may mahanap tayong size ko. So good luck to me. Grabe, enjoy actually kasi sobrang daming tao. So congrats to the Good Old Days team, Season Pass, and TMP. Sila Dog Brock. Congratulations guys. So tara, let's look pa.
Cause my loving feels like, ooh, you don't know my name. And I swear it feels like, ooh, you don't know my name. Will you ever know it? No, 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 no. No, no. Will you ever know it? Know it, know it?
Hey guys, we're back home, but sadly I wasn't able to buy a pair for myself. But it's fine, madami pang next time. So like what I said earlier, I'll be doing a step-by-step legit check tutorial using the CheckCheck app. I will be legit checking this pair that I actually bought a few months ago from a reseller and I forgot to check it on the app. So ito ang gagamitin natin na pair today. Alright, so let's start. As you can see, when you open the app, dito pa lang sa homepage makikita mo na ang dami na nilang na-check na sneakers. And makikita mo na yung button na start a new check. So yun ang gagawin natin. So once you click that, you will see different brands of sneakers. They have Jordan, Nike, Adidas, Yeezy, Reebok, Puma, New Balance, and Converse. Today, we will be legit checking Nike Dunks. So, kailangan na natin picturean yung sneakers kung ano nakalagay dito sa kailangan i-upload. First is the appearance. Yan. Okay. Next is inside the label. Yung size tag niya, guys. Alright, next is the insole. So, bali guys, for the insole, kailangan nyo tanggalin siya from the sneaker para makita talaga ng authenticator. Ayan. Next is stitching. So, ang next pipicture na natin guys is yung box label. Next is the date code. Ito siya guys. Makikita mo siya sa shoebox. Alright. So, for yung additional na photo guys, I'm planning to take a picture of the whole sneaker plus itong original laces niya. Kasi, as you can see guys, ni-lace swap ko yung sneaker ko. 1, 2, 3... So, pagtapos na kayo mag-take ng photos, ayan, you can put remarks. So, ilalagay ko dito is used pair lace swap. So, next, as you can see here, you will see options. Ito yung gaano katagal nila mabibigay yung results ng legit check mo. Dahil ang aking balance is only 2 credits, so makukuha ko yung legit check results ko in 2 hours. Ayan, so as you can see, nakalagay request submitted. And it's that easy. All you need to do now is wait for your results if it's legit or not. So time check, it is 8:04 p.m. and I'll be see you guys in 2 hours. Okay guys, so the results are in. And time check, it is 8:55 p.m. Hindi man lang umabot ng 2 hours ang legit checking. Actually, nung chinek ko yung CheckCheck app, natapos nila ang legit checking around mga 8:31 p.m. So mga around 30 minutes lang nila ni legit check guys. Ganun lang siya kabilis. Ito na yung moment of truth. Makikita na natin kung legit ang sneakers ko or hindi. So ito na. Alright guys, so as you can see, pasado yung ating sneakers sa CheckCheck app. And also, kung gusto nyo mag-legit check dito sa CheckCheck app, you'll be needing credits. So to get credits, as you can see on my screen, to get 3 credits, you have to purchase $4. So bale, you can pay using your PayPal, your ATM, or your credit card. And to let you guys know, they combine AI technology and expert human authenticators for reliable and accurate results. Plus, it's available 24/7, so any time of the day, you can legit check your sneakers. What are you waiting for? Download the CheckCheck app now and use my referral code. I will also be placing it on the description box below for 1 free credit on sign up. You can also follow CheckCheck on their Instagram for the latest giveaways, features, and announcements. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on the next video. Dani out!